A lot of people have not discovered the potentials in ninth mile, and those who have already making from it. Let me show you reasons why you need to invest in ninth mile. So the number one reason is road connectivity. Ninth mile is known for its strategic location and the accessibility that it gives to travelers traveling to other parts of Nigeria, especially the northern parts of Nigeria and then the south part of Nigeria. I know when it has to do with real estate investment, accessibility is a great factor to consider. And this accessibility helps top companies like Nigerian Brewery, 7-Up Bottling Company to transport their products to other parts of Nigeria. Number two is availability of water. So ninth mile is known to have the cleanest water here in the city of Enugu. And this helps companies that are into beverage production, companies like Nigerian Brewery, 7-Up Bottling Company, Coca-Cola Bottling Company, to have easy access to the best water here in the city of Enugu. And this helps them to produce their products so that they can transport this product to people who are in need of it. Now, number three is government presence. Now, when it has to do with real estate investment, government presence is a great factor to consider. In fact, it's one of the major indicators that determine if a location will develop very fast and if the value of land in such location will appreciate very fast. So recently, the Enugu state government decided to relocate the core city spare part to ninth mile. And the good thing is that they have started the construction of shops and offices for people who are into spare part business. And now, what does that mean to you as an investor? It simply means fast development is already happening in ninth mile. And everyone taking advantage of this current development happening in ninth mile, the person is going to reap massively for such investment. Finally, top industries. Now, ninth mile is known to have top brands like Nigerian Brewery, 7-Up Bottling Company, and Coca-Cola Bottling Company. I mean, here in the city of Enugu, most of the top brands that is well known in Nigeria, they are all situated in ninth mile because of the massive development happening in ninth mile, because of large expanse of land. You know that this company is always in need of land for their factories, for their industries, and even building houses for their workers. You know, definitely once you have businesses like factories in a particular location, there will always be in constant need of residential homes for their workers. And ninth mile give them the large expanse of land for whatever project that they want to construct in ninth mile. Now, as an investor or a first-time buyer, whether you're in Nigeria and diaspora, and you are thinking of a location to invest in Enugu State, ninth mile is that location for you. If you are looking for genuine properties that is affordable and fully registered in ninth mile, just go ahead, call or WhatsApp the number shown on your screen, and we'll help you to make the right investments.